Hey guys, please subscribe my channel Bhavya GlamGirl and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update from Bhavya GlamGirl. Hello everyone, welcome to Bhavya GlamGirl and you're watching me Bhavya. In today's video, I will be telling you about 5 beauty tips for girls to fight the summer heat wave. As the summer season is about to arrive, so you must follow these 5 beauty tips that fight against the summer heating waves. Tip number 1. Burning hands and feet. For those of you who experience extreme burning on the hands and feet, I would suggest that you would rub bitter gourd slices on the soles of your feet and the palms of your hand, and you can watch how your skin feels. It will give you a very soothing and calm expression. Tip number 2. Burning eyes. For burning eyes, keep used tea bags in the freezer and place them on your eyes for a few minutes and relax. Rose water packs and cucumber slices are also very effective to burn the summer heat waves. Tip number 3. For fresh looking skin, I would like to suggest that you store fresh rose water in the fridge at all the times and spritz on your face and neck with this several times in a day. If you are working, you can keep a bottle in your office. For those of you who have children, make this a daily routine when they come back from school or college. You will notice an immediate effect on your skin. Tip number 4. Open pores. Open pores become a big issue during summers, and to prevent this, just put a couple of slices of raw tomatoes in the freezer and then place them on the skin for it to absorb the juice. Now rub gently into the skin and feel the tautness. You will notice the open pores shrink soon. Tip number 5. Scalp problems. I've recently got a lot of queries from people who are experiencing boils on their scalp. This could well be due to the sudden heat wave, and the best way to treat this is to rinse the hair with neem water. The rinse can be made by boiling a handful of neem leaves in 1 liter of water and then letting it cool. After shampooing, you rinse the hair with this mix and you will notice that your scalp problems will get vanished in a few days soon. So guys, in today's video, we got to know about 5 beauty tips for girls to fight against the summer heating waves. I hope you all like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and you can give your suggestions in the comment section below. I will be back with more beauty and glamorous video on my channel Bhavya GlamGirl. Till then, stay happy and stay beautiful. Bye.